guys, good morning. Today is the day and I am planning to document moments of this day kasi I am planning to make a vlog of it and it'll going to be my first ever vlog kung hindi ako tamarin mag-video later or kung hindi man ako malobat or hindi ako tamarin mag-edit after. So ayun, we are going to a youth gathering. And it's not the typical youth gathering na ina-attendan ko kasi it's considered as the biggest youth gathering in the country. And I'm just so excited to be part of it. And apart from that, excited rin akong pumunta kasi makita ko na yung mga friends and classmates ko. It's been a month since the last time I saw them kasi nasa vacation period kami ngayon and there's still another month to wait for the classes to start. So, ayun, I'm looking forward to it. So, join me for a day of fun and learning. And I'll get back to you so ko mag-prepare and mag-makeup. Bye!
So, ayun na nga, makeup done, soft glam lang para hindi masyadong hassle later sa pag-retouch. Here's a quick fit check for you stars. I'm just wearing casual shirt from school, decent pants, and comfortable shoes kasi for sure. This is a long walk and pagtayo sa pila for us.
And in here, I'm in the terminal na going to PTEX. Hinatid lang ako ni Pap since it's too far from home. Time check muna, it's 6:10 a.m. in the morning. Inagahan talaga namin para sana makasecure kami ng front seats for us to really get the most of the experience. And actually, mas maaga pa ako rito kaysa sa pagpasok ko sa regular classes ko sa school. But yeah, before that, daanan muna natin yung friend ko sa Tenza para sabay na kayo pupuntang PTEX to also meet some of our friends na nandun na para sabay-sabay na kayo puntang Mawa Arena. So, see you there, stars. We'll update later. Bye! Meet Fevelin, our classmate. Nandito na kami sa PTEX ngayon and we are looking for our classmates na kumakain lang daw ng breakfast sa taas. Found them! This is Ken and Kat, two of my closest friends sa section ko. Naririnig ko na agad yung line ni Ken in front of the camera eh. DPR Ken on IG. Dahil magkakasama na kami, papunta na kami sa gate where nandun yung bus papuntang Mawa Arena and see you there. And we are now here sa Mawa Arena. Time check, it's 7:54 a.m. in the morning and ayun, may mga nakita na kaming familiar faces and ang daming tao, stars, ang saya. In this moment, we are looking for the line para pumila na kasi ang dami na rin talaga nagsisigatingan. So, stay tuned! As you can see, ang haba ng pila, but finally, nakuha na namin ang tickets namin and we are now going inside to get our stamp and then we wait for the queue to enter the venue para pag nag-start na, pipila na kami. guys, we're inside and wow, it's so big. There are so many people. I'm so excited for the speakers and guests, and I just can't wait to see them. Oh my god, let's go. Starting the vibe with the charming voice and music of Matthew Ifield. Guys, ang pogi niya super, and ang cool rin ang guitarist niya. Check this out. And they even did a cover of a song from K-pop Demon Hunters.
We can't fix it if we never face it. What if we found a way? But look, he said we could be. And you dance company.
And we also got to see a dance performance from any dance company. The energy is so high, guys. Perfect pang set for whatever will come.
Meanwhile,
Make some noise if it's winning again.
And kung siniswerte nga naman, Miss Yunwen did her signature walk in Miss Universe year after her time. The Allen Walk, you guys. Super slow. Wow.
Ay, grabe! She is a passionate advocate for peace, justice.
And then here's the most awaited.
And today,
Grabe, isa talaga ito sa highlight na experience ko.
Miss Jessica Soho! Wow!
You guys, you overwhelmed me! Alam ko na ngayon kung anong pakiramdam ng mga nagko-concert dito.
Diba, over sa shout. Sabi sa inyo, super fun to. Imagine, napapanood ko lang si Miss Jessica sa TV, pero grabe. Para akong nanonood lang talaga ng TV. Same na same yung boses ni Madam.
Makakaasa po kayo na hanggat may makabuluhang maikukwento, patuloy kong sasabihin na mula rito sa Pasay City, ako po ang inyong kapuso, Jessica Soho, ikayak kayo!
And here's the final band performance over October playing Eco. Literally the crowd went wild. Hear this out. And lastly, to finally wrap up the event, here's the amazing performance from Hanai.
Di ba may pangwibang pa? Paano ba sinasabi? Kakatapos lang namin sa MOA. Hi guys. Ay, hi guys. Parang ano lang ayun.
Hello guys, kakatapos lang ng event and we're heading to Gala Park. It's currently 7 PM na. How's the global business? I enjoyed every moment, pero you know, super also ako right now dahil kakasigaw.
Ano yung na-enjoy mo?
I enjoyed all of the performances. Natuwa ako kasi, you know, nakita ko yung idol ko. Wait nga, tatawid lang kami. But okay, seriously, oh my God.
Pag nalalobat minsan yung camera ng mga vloggers, sabihin nila, sorry guys, nalobat na yung camera.
Kaya, so,
Lagi ka na daw ba? Lagyan mo ng mentality ba?
nag-enjoy kami. Nag-enjoy kayo?
Yes!
Pero napaos ako, guys. Wala akong boses. Pero ayun, I feel like hindi ko rin makontinue itong vlog na to. And see you later pag uwi sa bahay kasi lobat na ako. Bye!
Bawat vlog mo. Ituloy mo yung vlog mo dito.
Hey guys, and this is the continuation. We just finished eating our dinner and it's already 9:30 p.m.
Update mo anong nangyari sa vlog.
Paano tayo nalobat? 5, 4, 3, 2.
Uy, cowboy!
Oh my God, my OA friends are like lying on the ground. Siguro what time? It's 9:45 and we... Bye guys! See you again. See you later. Maybe. We're gonna go guys. Mwah!
Hey stars, it's me again, your star Ricky, and for today's video, we are just going to continue our videos yesterday for our vlog. It's August 4, it's 10 a.m. in the morning. What we're gonna do today is we are going to do a little recap about all the things that have happened yesterday. Let's do a little chit chat guys. Let's start from the very beginning. As you can see in the video, we arrive at the arena at around 7 a.m. in the morning. Kahit ganun kami kaaga, there's so many tao nang dumating, so ang haba na ng pila. Pero before that, hinanap muna namin yung proper and official line for us to like properly get into the line. But unfortunately, palipat-lipat kami kasi hindi namin din alam kung saan yung proper line. Pero ayun, luckily nakapasok din kami after that. But before that, na-interview pala muna kami. Me and my friends got to be interviewed by the staffs and organizers of the event. And I'm just looking forward to seeing it on their page. Kasi, syempre, exposure ko yun eh. Kasi ito yung pinakita ko dun eh. Face card, representing CPSU. Ay, hindi gano'n. So ayun, we got our tickets and they let us in na to like get our stamp din dito. Maghintay muna kami for a sec or a minute or half an hour kasi ayun, parang inaayos pa nga yung pila. Kumain muna kami and nagkwentuhan muna kami, nagpahinga muna kami kasi we're like standing for almost 3 hours sa pila. Tapos yun lang yung time na nakaupo kami. Chikahan, ganyan. Nag-retouch, hindi na ako napag-video na retouch ko kasi lobat na ako nung mga time na yun. Di ba ang aga pa, wala pang tanghali pero lobat na ako. Wala kasi akong dalang power bank. But yeah, after that, nang sinabi na pwede nang pumasok, may lala kami and then we enter the arena. Tapos pagpasok ko talaga, syempre first time ko umattend na ganong kalaking event and ganong kalaking venue. So wow, ang ganda talaga sa loob and I hope soon maka-attend ulit tayo ng mga ganon, but sana concert naman, right? After that, yun, ang daming performers, ang daming talks, we had so much fun, ang dami namin natutunan, ang dami namin there's so many knowledge na na-feel sa amin, and that we thank all the speakers for that. And also, yun talaga, as I said on the video, ang pinaka-highlight talaga sa akin, for me personally, I think, yung pag-guest ni Miss Jessica Soho. Kasi guys, idol ko siya. Pinapanood ko siya sa TV, tapos makikita ko sa personal. Tapos, grabe, yung boses niya same talaga. Hindi nag-iba. Kung ano yung boses sa TV, ganun din yung boses niya.
Ako po si Jessica Soho,
So, para lang talaga ako nanonood ng DVD, pero live. Pero ayun, super saya ko. Dami ko napanood na performers. And they're all good. They're all very amazing and talented. And yeah, after that, syempre super sigaw tayo doon. Kasi syempre support ganyan.
Edi ayun, napaos ako. Paglabas namin ng arena, wala na akong boses pero so ayun, we decided to like punta muna sa Gala Park bago umuwi and then eat first. Dati kasi pwede magsuot ng yukata doon for free, pero ngayon hindi na. Nagbago. But still, maganda yung place, punta kayo doon. After that, we went to W Mall to eat our dinner. Nagmang-inasal lang kami para sulit, diba? Kasi super ubos ang energy namin sa pag-cheer sa arena eh. After namin kumain, naglakad lang kami sa mga streets doon. Syempre, city lights, right? Decided to go arena at around, siguro bago mag-11. So, nakarating kami sa PTEX 10:30, ganyan. Tamakay na kami before 11 kasi so ayun, I got home at around 12 midnight and my papa was waiting for me. Siyempre super late na and lobat ako so hindi ako makapag-update. But yeah, the experience, it's amazing. Uulitin namin yun, that's for sure. Kasi ang saya, ang dami rin naming learnings na natutunan sa mga talks nila. And yeah, I think that's all for our recap. And if you reach this part, if you like my video, please smash that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any content ideas for me to make, just comment down below and we'll do it sometime. Thank you for staying with me, guys. See you to our next video. Bye!